Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with the new topic, that is factorization of algebraic expressions. So this topic is useful in grade 9 chapter 2 polynomials, grade 9 chapter 13 surface area and volume, grade 10 chapter 2 polynomials, grade 10 chapter 13 surface area and volume, and in higher classes also we use the concepts of factorization. It means factorization is very important topic, and at the same time this is very interesting also. So let us do recap factors and multiples that we have studied in grade 6. So 3 multiplied by 5 will give you 15. 3 5s are 15. So these 3 and 5 are known as factors of 15. 3 is a factor of 15. 5 is a factor of 15. Now 15 is known as multiple. So 15 is the multiple of 3. 15 is the multiple of 5. 3 multiplied by 5 will give you 15. So this process is known as multiplication. When we say that 15 factors of 15 are 3 and 5, it means we are going to break this 15 in smaller parts. So this process is known as factorization. When we multiply, when we get a bigger number, that is known as multiplication. When we make a small part of that number, that is known as factors. Okay, so let us start with today's topic. Here I am going to introduce you CGIS rule for factorization. Using this rule is very easy, and this makes our work very easy also. So what is first C here? C means the common factors and literals. Common maybe factors, maybe literals, maybe both, maybe anyone. Okay. So the question is factorize. Well, as soon as you see the factorize, you should think about CGIS rule. So what is the first one? C. C means common. So find out, is there anything common in 7a and 14? So we can say that yes, the number 2 is common. Which number is common? 7 and 14. In both the numbers 7 comes. So 7 is common. Write down 7 common inside the bracket. Now what is left over here? A. Which sign is there? Plus 7 2s are 14. So 2 will come. So the factors of 7a plus 14 will be 7 and a plus 2. Take the another example. Again factorize. The first thing is C. So is there anything common? Yes, we can say that one literal is common. So the power is 2 and the power is 1. Whenever we take common, always we take the lowest power as a common. So single a power we don't write. So a is common. Now come here, a raised to the power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 will give you only 1. So a plus, which number is left? 7. So the factors will be a and a plus 7. Come for the third sum, 8c square and 14c. So here you can see that numbers are also common, 8 and 24. Which number is common? 8, 8 3s are 24. So a. But at the same time you can see here variable is also common. So c raised to the power 2 and c raised to the power 1. This is the smaller one. So we will take only 1c common. Now make a bracket. Now think that 8 and 8 already we have written. C raised to the power 2 minus 1 will give you only 1c. Then minus 8 3s are 24 and c is already common. So the factors will be 8c and c minus 3. Come for the fourth sum, factorize. So first one is C. So common, yes, you can see common here 10 and 12. So 10 and 12 comes in which table? This comes in table of 2. So 2 is common. Okay, actually this is 2 6 are 12, and this you can write down 2 5 are 10. This should be in your mind. Now 1p and 1p is also common. Same way 1q and 1q is also common. So 2pq will be common. Make a bracket. Now think 2. So this 2 we have written. So what is left over here? 6p q. Out of 2, 1 we have taken, and only q is only 1. So sorry, q will not come over here. Okay. So now minus sign is there. So 2 5s are 10. P and P already we have taken common. Q, and this is also only one Q we have taken common. So the factors will be 2PQ in bracket 6P minus 5. If you have any doubt, you can do this one also. 12p square q you are dividing by 2pq, because you have taken this common. So 2 6 are 12. So this will give you 6. This q and q will get cancelled. So 6p. Already we have done this division of algebraic expression. That concept also you can use initially to write down. Once you get practice directly also you can write down. Now the come for the fifth sum, 32 and 24. These two numbers comes in which table? Just think about this number 24. How can we write down this 24? Table of 8, you can use 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. Try to get the bigger number so that your work will be more easier. So the common number is 8. Now here power is d cube and only d, so we will take d common. So now what is left inside the bracket? 8 4s are 32, and out of 3 1 d already we have written. So what is left here? D square plus 8 3s are 24, and this d already we have taken common. So the factors will be 8d and in bracket 8 4d square plus 3. Now again take common. So here numbers are not common. You can see only m is common. So the smaller power of m is 1. So take m common. What is left? Number will be as it is, 1m minus 6. So these are the factors. Now again factorize. So factorize, as soon as you see first thing is common, find out is there anything common. So here you can see that this factor z minus 1, this is already common. So we can take z minus 1 common. What is left inside the bracket here? Z. Which sign is there? Plus. Which number is left? 2. So these are the factors z minus 1, z plus 2. So this way sometimes factors are also written common over there. So here you can see that t minus 4 is common. So write down t minus 4 common. So what is left over here? 5t. Then minus, and then this 3. So 3. In this question also you can see that a plus 11 is common. So take a plus 11 as a common term. What is left now here? This is a. Which sign is there here? Minus, and no number is there before the bracket. It means the number is 1. Very important concept. If no number is written outside the bracket, it means the number is always 1. Now come here, y minus 2. Here power is 2, here power is 1. The smallest power is 1. So we will take y minus 2 common. So out of 2, 1 y minus 2 is left. So write down y minus 2. then minus sign is there, and then 3. But now inside one bracket still we can simplify, we can add the like terms or we can add the constants. So minus 2 minus 3 will give you minus 5. So these two are the factors. Now again, very important concept here. N minus 10 or 10 minus n. Numbers are same but the signs are different. So what can we do that? Write down this n minus 10 as it is, and here take minus sign common. We know the concept. If outside the bracket minus sign is there, then inside the bracket we change the sign. So that concept I have used here. So I have taken minus sign over here, and inside the bracket I have changed the sign. Now you can see that n minus 10 is common. So write down n minus 10 common. What is left over here? 6. Which sign is there? Minus. No number is there before the bracket. It means the number will be 1. So now still we can solve this. 6 minus 1 will give you 5. And whenever we write, first we write the number and then 5, sorry, n minus 10. So n minus 10. So these are the factors. Now G, I have highlighted G. So what is G? G means the groups, and we need to make a group by arrange in a suitable way. Okay. So the first question is a square plus bc plus ab plus ac. The factorized first question, first thing is C. So can you see anything common over here? No. So C common is not there. Grouping. So can you rearrange so that you can get something common? So just try, this is your trial and error method. So a square, with a square I will write down here a, b, then this BC plus AC. So from first two you can take A common. So what is left inside the bracket? A plus B. Now with this 2 you can take C common. So write down C common. What is left? B plus A. Now here A plus B and B plus A. So we can see that the commutative property in addition, so meaning is same, and while writing always write in alphabetical order. So A plus B, this is common and this is also common. What is left? A plus C. So this is the way we use this G in CGIS rule. Come for the third or second sum. Again from this first two you can take common. It's again I am telling you trial and error method. You need to rearrange the terms and find out which one is suitable for you. That's what the word is given, suitable group. Everybody's suitability is different. So now here I have taken a square common. So what is left? A plus 3. Now in this 2 I can take 6 common. So what is left? A plus 3. Again you can see that a plus 3 is common. So take a plus 3 common, and what is left? A square plus 6. So these are the two factors. Again the question is from factorize. So first one is C. Can you see that anything is common? No. So this is not possible. Now next one is grouping. So can we do grouping from first two? It's not possible to take anything common. So we will rearrange this. So A square plus AB I am writing, then 2B plus 2A. This coefficient also give hint sometimes that these two should come together so that taking common is easy. So now this from this first two your A is common. So what is left inside the bracket? A plus B. Now from here 2 is common. So what is left inside the bracket? B plus A. Again the same case, A plus B or B plus A is same. So you can take common A plus B, and what is left? A, then plus and 2. So these are the factors. Again, your question is from factorization. So from the all four terms, you can't take anything common. So this C is not possible. For grouping, try to keep two terms together so that you can take something common. So directly from these two, you can take common. So your M is common. What is left inside the bracket? M minus A. From these two, your B is common. So take minus B. Since you are keeping bracket, minus sign is outside the bracket. So inside the bracket, this sign will get changed. So instead of plus A, we will write minus A. Now again, your M minus A is common. So M minus A is common. What is left? M minus B. So these two are the factors. Again, four terms. From all the four terms, you can't take common. Now the grouping. So you can see that these two coefficients are same. So we will write down these two together. Then 2BC plus 2BD, write down these two. From these two, take common. So 3 is common. A is also common. So what is left? C plus D. Now with this 2, your 2 is common, B is common. What is left inside the bracket? C plus D. Again your C plus D is common. Okay, so C plus D is common. Write down C plus D. And what is left? 3A plus 2B. So these are the factors. Again, the question is from factorization. From all the four, you can't take anything common, so C is not possible. Now, the next one is grouping. So, you can see that this 7 and 7 is there. So, these two terms we will arrange together. Then write down with the coefficient 9, 9CD plus 9BC. So from these two, you can take common 7A. So what is left inside the bracket? B plus D. Plus here you can take 9. C common. So again D plus B. Again the same way. B plus D or D plus B. This is same. So take B plus D common. So what is left inside the bracket? 7A plus 9C. So these are the two factors. I have explained you about C. C means common, G means grouping. What is I and S? I and S represents what? What is I and S in CGIS? So for this, watch my next video. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video, and also to watch my next video.